Aloha, my name is Veronika. Welcome to today's short but sweet and powerful class. We'll break down 5 poses to strengthen and tone your core. The goal of today is to keep your breath steady and your mind centered. A strong core is not only to support weight loss and stability, but it also helps protect your spine, your low back, and improve your posture. This pairs well with the low back focused yoga classes. I will link them in the top right corner for you to access. Let's begin. We will start with a boat pose, extending your legs in front of you, feet flat. Sit tall and then lift your legs off of the ground. Your shins are parallel to the mat. Arms reach forward or gently support your back by holding onto your legs. Your chest is lifted, spine is tall. Hold here and breathe for 5 breaths, making sure you engage in your core by drawing your navel towards your spine. You can also straighten your legs for more challenge. Next up is plank pose. You want to step back into a plank position. Shoulders are over your wrists, your heels pressing back, engaging not only your thighs, but also your core and your glutes. Don't let your hips sink down. Don't let your shoulders shrug down. Arch gently through your upper back. Tailbone is tucked under to protect your low back and engage your core. Going to hold steady for 5 breaths. Feel the full power of your body, stable, grounded, and strong. Know that you can lower your knees while keeping the core still engaged. Next up, number 3 is a side plank. You want to basically begin in a plank, the pose we just did. Shift weight onto your right hand. You have a few options here. You can drop your left knee down for support, extending your right arm up to the sky. You can extend both legs towards the end of your mat, keeping feet wider apart for easier version, or you can stack your feet for the more challenging option. Extending that right arm up to the sky, lifting through your hips. Keep those hips a check, don't let them sink too low to the ground. Let's switch to the opposite side. Shift your body weight onto your right hand, keeping the knee down if you did so on the opposite side, or extending both legs, either wider or stacked over. Remembering to keep your hips nice and active, even the shoulder. You want to be pressing out of the shoulder, lengthening for your arms. I'm going to give you another option if this feels too easy. You always have a variation where you lift your top leg off of the ground. This definitely makes it way more fun and way more challenging. We're going to stick with those plank poses. Next up, number 4 is a forearm plank. I will have you lower down to your forearms. Make sure your shoulders are stacked. So shoulders over the elbows, legs are nice and strong. Again, don't let your hips sink low. Keep your tailbone tucked under. Keep your whole body parallel to the ground. Also press out of your shoulder blade sockets, arching slightly through your upper back. Lifting through the core and breathing deeply. Hold steady for 5 breaths. Let this pose remind you that you are stronger than you think. Okay, moving on to our last one, which is number 5, a locust pose. I'll have you lie on your belly, extending your arms alongside of your body. On inhale, lift your chest, your arms, and your legs. Lengthening through the crown of your head to your toes, engaging your entire back body. Hold for 5, and when you're ready, release gently. Alright, let your hips shake off, relaxing the lower back, and then little core release here. You can place your elbows beneath your shoulders, forearms onto the mat, pressing your forearms and lift your chest into Sphinx position. This gently stretches the core, relaxes the shoulders. You have an option for a deeper stretch. You can lift your elbows off of the ground, which we call the seal pose. This further engages the core That definitely gets a little pinch in your low back, so please be mindful. Alright, release down, rest your forehead stack on top of your hands for a moment. Take a deep breath in, exhale out completely. Thank yourself for showing up today and building some core strength with this quick 5 poses. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope your core feels nice and strong. Next up, I would suggest some lower back focused yoga. You can click on the recommended section to guide you in that playlist. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Mahalo and namaste.